Hey, what's up guys? So this is the Pirate battery. The box is just like this. That's the side. That's the other side. Okay, so let's get it open and take a look at it. Once open, you do get a little slot and it does give you brand new screws, bolts. Okay, it comes in a zip bag. Okay, this is your owner menu, and this is the battery itself. Pirate battery, seal rechargeable battery. You have your negative and your positive. Okay, so let's install it and see how good it works. Okay, so the battery is in. Very good. The screws goes right there. You can see the bottom bolt, the screw on the top. Okay, so let's see if it turns on. Perfect. Battery, awesome. Perfect battery. So now I just finished covering them up and we're good to go. Sweet.